Let's take a look at this little Bobcat. See how he's doing up here. Wow. He's really made this look good. See? He just flattened this out. That kind of looks like fun. I like his wheels on there. Look at those tracks. And see, this was the last little bit of driveway here. And they were told not to rip this up. Okay, why do you suppose that would be? Here's the road here. Well, this will be there like a little staging area. Plus, if it rains and stuff, can you imagine how muddy it would be to get in and out of this property? This way, they can back things up in here. They can pile their wood on here. Not dig down into the dirt. You know, this is a neighborhood, a built-up neighborhood, and this house just happened to burn down, and we don't want the street getting all muddy any more than it has to. So that's why they're going to leave this concrete. Eventually, they're going to, you know, whoever builds this house, when they get ready to do the driveway, yeah, they'll have to rip this out. Just like they'll have to rip the driveway out over here too. See, they're gonna leave this little section of driveway right here. They were told to leave this so that trucks can back up in here and stuff, and they're just gonna leave it broken off right there, I think. Or they may take it back to this joint. I'm not quite sure. I think they're going to take this little section out eventually. I don't know if they're going to do that today or not. Look at that. He's just grabbing that. He's kind of pulling that down the hill a little bit, and then they're going to kind of taper it down a little. That's pretty cool. Okay. So they're gonna finish this off and be done for the day. They're just gonna leave this whole section. I'm not quite sure actually. He may take it. He may leave it right like that and grab it from there to load up the trucks later, or he may grab that whole pile there now, get his excavator up here, and then grab all this and make another pile, you know, up high. And then when the big trucks come, they'll have probably 2 or 3 trucks lined up the day they load this, and then they'll back them up right here, and they'll back them straight down there, right where that Bobcat is, and then they'll load up from there. Nice job, guys. Nice job. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.